Hello, my name is Iris Reyes. Today I will talk about how I imagine the year 2050 will be. In my opinion, by 2050, technology will be much more advanced. I think there will be more electric cars. Many more people will use artificial intelligence to study and work. I also think that medicine will have improved and that it will be possible to treat diseases more quickly thanks to scientific advances. However, I believe that one of the biggest challenges you will continue to be climate change. In education, I imagine that many classes will combine face-to-face teaching with digital tools and virtual reality. In conclusion, I believe that the world in 2050 will be more technological, innovative, but it will also depend on us to protect the planet and use technology responsibly. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.